Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're taking a quick look at the Honda SP125, a stylish and fuel-efficient commuter motorcycle that's perfect for daily riding. Let's explore what makes this bike so popular. Design and styling. The Honda SP125 features a sporty design with sharp body graphics, a muscular fuel tank, and an attractive LED headlamp. Its modern look gives it a premium feel in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. Engine and performance. The bike is powered by a 124 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine that delivers smooth performance and excellent fuel efficiency. The 5-speed gearbox provides comfortable riding in both city traffic and on highways. Features. Honda equips the SP125 with a fully digital instrument cluster, engine start/stop switch, silent start technology, side stand engine cutoff, and CBS, combined braking system, making it practical and safe for everyday use. Ride and mileage. The SP125 offers a comfortable riding position, responsive suspension, and reliable braking. It is well known for its impressive mileage, making it a cost-effective choice for commuters. Conclusion. The Honda SP125 is an excellent option for riders looking for style, comfort, performance, and outstanding fuel economy in one package. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to King Bike for more motorcycle reviews and updates.